Hello, Sairam students. Okay, coming back to our subject, and today we'll be doing part 4 of chapter 7. Now in part 3, we have already studied about multiplication of decimal numbers, correct? That is, we learned about how to multiply, that is multiplication with whole numbers, as well as multiplication of two decimal numbers. So today we'll learn how to multiply a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Now children, just remember that to multiply a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, we have to shift the decimal point to the right as many places as the number of zeros in the multiplier. That is, for example, to multiply by 10, shift the decimal one place to the right. And to multiply by 100, shift the decimal two places to the right. And the same way, to multiply it by 1000, shift the decimal three places to the right. Let us see an example here. Now just see us children. Here 15.245 is multiplied by 10. So when you multiply the number 15.245, and suppose if this is 15.245, if it is multiplied by 100, if it is multiplied by 10, it has got 1 0. So you will move one decimal to the place towards the right. Now that is, this decimal point will come here, that is after 2. So your answer will be 152.45. Okay. Now see the second example same way. 89.2081 multiplied by 100. Now when you multiply this number, that is 89.2081. Now when it is multiplied by 100, 100 has got two zeros. So you will move two places towards the right and put the decimal point. So your answer will be this two places. So 1, 2. So your decimal point will be after 0. So your answer is 8920.81. Okay. Same way, third example, 4.1763 multiplied by 1000. So when you multiply this number, that is 4.1763, when it is multiplied by 1000, 1000 has got three zeros. So you will move, this point will move three places, that is 1, 2, 3. So your decimal point will be after 6. So your answer is 4176.3. Yes. So to multiply a decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000, you have to just shift the decimal point to the right as many places as the number of zeros in the multiplier. Okay. Yes. Let us start with our exercise sums. Exercise 7.3. Yes. Exercise 7.3. Here this sum you can do it in the textbook itself. Filling the blanks. Question number 3. It is given. The B1. It is question number 3. Filling the blanks. 6.0023 multiplied by 100. Now it is multiplied by 100. So your decimal point will move two places ahead, that is to the right. So your answer is 600.23. Now same way second one, D1, 9.3847 multiplied by 1000. So 1000 has got three zeros. So your decimal point, that is, this will move three places towards the right, 1, 2, 3. So this point will be after, decimal point will be after 4. So your answer is 9384.7. Okay. Same way F1, 45.9 086 multiplied by 1000, again 3 places. So your point will be after 6. So your answer is, now after 6 you don't have any number, so you can just write the number as 45,086, or you can put a point and then put 0. Okay, and if you don't put 0 also, it is okay, you can just write only the answer. Now 89.7049 multiplied by 100. Now 100, it has got 2 0, so 2 places towards your right, so your decimal point will be after 0. So your answer is 8,970.49. Okay, yes. Now coming to the next topic, that is multiplication of more than 2 numbers. Now how to multiply? Steps to follow when you multiply more than 2 numbers. Take any 2 numbers and find the product. That is, again here you have to ignore the decimal point. You have to just take the 2 numbers and then find the product. And then if you have any other numbers, that is a third number, multiply the product with the remaining number. That is, any two numbers, you can just find the product and go to the third and the fourth number and then multiply. Okay, let us start with an example. Here we have to multiply 6.3 multiplied by 2.25 multiplied by 8. So first we will take the first 2 numbers. Okay, so without using the decimal point, first we will multiply 225 multiplied by 63. Yes, so when you multiply, 3 5s are 15, 1 here, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, and 3 2s are 6. We place 0 at the ones place. 6 5s are 30, 3 carry over here, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15, 1 carry over here, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 is 13. Now add it. 5 7 1 4. So your answer is 14,175. Now to this product you will multiply the number 8 and then we will place the decimal point. So 14,175, that's 14,175 multiplied by 8. 5 8s are 40, 56 plus 4 60, 8 1s are 8 plus 6 14. Yes, 1 carry over here, 4 8s are 32 plus 1 33, 3 here, 8 1s are 8, and 9 10 11. Okay, now we will place the decimal point. Now 2 places here and here 1 place. So after 3 places you will put the decimal point, that is 1 2 3. Okay, so your final answer is 113.400, or you can write your answer as, just ignore this last 0 and you will write the answer as 113.4. okay, yes. So just we'll start with our exercise now. Start solving, children. Exercise 7.3, question number 4, multiply. Okay, the first sum B1, 6.81 multiplied by 7.04 and multiplied by 10. So first we will multiply the first 2 numbers. 681 multiplied by 704. Okay, so start multiplying. 4 2 3 carry over, 7. So 4 6 are 24 plus 3 27. Now this number 0 at the tens place, you can just skip this step or you can write 0 at all the places, because any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. Okay, so or you can just skip this step. You can start multiplying with 7. Now start multiplying with the 7. Ones place 0, tens place also 0, 7 is in hundreds place, so 7 ones are 7, 7 eights are 56, 5 carry over here, this we are finished with, 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 5, that is 47. add the numbers. 4, 2, 7 plus 7 is 14, 1 carry over, 9, 7 and then 4. Okay, now here your answer is 4,79,404. So write the answer here. Now place the decimal point after 4 decimal places, 2 here and 2 here in this number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is 47.9424. Now to this number you have multiplied it by 10. Now we have already learned the multiplication of a decimal number by 10, 100 and thousands, correct? So you can just shift the decimal point. When you multiply it by 10, your decimal point will shift one place to your right, that is after 9. So your final answer after multiplying it by 10 will be 479.424. Okay, yes, working of this is shown here in the slide. So 47.9424, after you multiply it by 10, 47 this decimal place will move to the right side one place because we have to multiply it by 10. Okay, so your final answer is 479.424. Coming to the next sum. Okay, now children, here you have to multiply 4 numbers, that is 3 decimal numbers and 1 whole number. So first let us start multiplication of first 2 numbers, that is 9,092.34 multiplied by 3.5. So first we will ignore the decimal point and then start multiplying it. Okay, now when you multiply 92.34 multiplied by 3.5, you will get the answer as 323.190. Okay, now to this number you have to multiply the number 6. So first we will ignore the decimal point and then start multiplying it with 6. Okay, 0 here, 6 9s are 54, 5 carry over here, 6 1s are 6, plus 5 is, yes, count it, 6 7 8 9 10 11, 1 carry over here, 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19, 1 carry over here, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13, and then here 6 3s are 18 and then 19. Yes, now so your answer is, after you have to put the decimal point after 3 places, so your answer will be 1939.140. Now to this number you will multiply 8.2. So this number also, first without using the decimal point, we will write the number multiplied by 82. So 0, 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry over, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 2 9s are 18, yes, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Okay, just check with your multiplication whether you done it correctly. Now second number, 8 into 0 is 0, 8 4s are 32, 3 carry over, 8 1s are 8 plus 3 9 10 11 1. Okay, 11, so means you will carry out 1 here. 9 8s are 72 plus 1, that is 73. So 7 carry over here, 3 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 7, just count, yes, 31. 3 carry over here, 8 9s are 72, 75, so 7 here. Okay, 8 1s are 8 plus 7, so count 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, yes, Now we will add the numbers, quite a big number. So be careful with your multiplication. 2 plus 2 is 4, 8 plus 1 is 9, 7 plus 3 is 10, 1 carry over, 8, 9, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 and then 1. Okay, now you will place the decimal point here. So that is after how many places? 2 places here, 1 place here and 1 place here. So that is after 4 decimal places you will put the point. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So your decimal point will be here, that is after 0. Okay, or you can say before 9. So your final answer is 15,900.9480. Okay, so this first we will multiply the first 2 numbers. You got this answer. To that product you multiplied it by 6, and to that product you multiplied 8.2, and in the final answer you place the decimal point. Okay, the working here is shown clearly in this slide. You can just do the sum and check the answer from this slide. So here while multiplying, just ignore the decimal point. You can just multiply and then put the decimal point at the end. Okay, then to this product we multiply it again by 6. Here also you can just ignore the decimal point. No need to put. In the final answer you can just directly put the decimal point. Yes. Okay, now based on this, home assignment for you: 2 filling the blanks and 2 multiplication sums, which you have to do it in your homework part. So hope you all must have understood multiplication of decimal numbers. Meet you in the next class with a new topic, students. Till then, thank you for today and have a nice day. Bye.